You want to learn how to motion track your masks in Premiere? Follow along. So I got my clip here in this sequence. Now what I want to do is I want to just brighten up her face as if the laptop is shining light onto her face. So I'm going to go to my effect, Lumetri color, drag that onto my footage. And now I'm going to draw a mask around her face. And then this little circle here, this creates the feather. So, or you could just adjust the feather here. Then I'm going to go to my basic correction. I'm going to adjust the temperature a lot cooler. And I'm going to boost my exposure up like that. This is my before and after. I'm going to go back to my mask. I'm going to make a keyframe on mask path. And then I'm going to click the little arrow here, track selected mask forward. Okay, so now you can see all the keyframes that it made. You can see that it does a pretty good job staying on her face. And this could actually work with any effect that you drag onto your clip. Like let's say you wanted to blur out your subject because you wanted to be, he or she wanted to be anonymous. If I drag on a blur out her face, you want to draw that, and then you could increase the blur, repeat edge pixels, and you could track it. So this is a super easy way to add motion to your effects in Premiere. If you're not too familiar with After Effects and you want to add motion, this is the way to do it. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment below. See you later.